Hey there, welcome back to another exciting video. Today, we're diving into something that's completely changed my content creation game. I've discovered an AI tool that's so good that I've actually stopped manual editing altogether.
Hey, I'm Henry and I'm from ProductCreationFormula. And here at ProductCreationFormula, we love to give you tips and tricks to be able to help you create your products quickly and easily. Along with that, we also do product reviews as well as tips on how to make money online. So if that sounds interesting to you, how about you smash the like button as well as subscribe and also hit the bell icon so you can be notified when we upload more videos. Alright guys, let's go check it out.
Introducing Descript. Let me introduce you to Descript, the game-changing AI editing tool that's revolutionized my workflow. This isn't just another editing software, it's a complete game changer that combines text-based editing with powerful AI capabilities. What makes Descript different? First off, Descript transcribes your video into text, making editing as simple as editing a document. You can literally edit your video by deleting or moving text around. It's like magic, but it's real. The AI features that blew my mind. Automatic filler word removal. The software automatically detects and removes those pesky ums and ahs that we all struggle with. It's so smooth, you can't even tell where the cuts were made. AI voiceover overdub generation in Descript. If you make a mistake while recording, you don't need to re-record the whole thing. Descript can clone your actual voice using AI, and it sounds incredibly natural. Background noise removal in Sound Studio. One click, and all that annoying background noise disappears. It's like having a professional sound engineer working on your audio. Multi-track editing. You can work with multiple audio and video tracks simultaneously. The interface is super intuitive, even if you're new to video editing. Why I switched from traditional editing. Time savings. What used to take me hours now takes minutes. I'm not exaggerating when I say it's cut my editing time by 50%. Easier learning curve. Unlike complex editing software, Descript feels natural from day one. If you can edit a document, you can edit a video. Cost effectiveness. Compared to other professional editing software, Descript offers incredible value for money. Plus, you don't need any extra plugins or add-ons. The workflow that changed everything. Recording process. I just record my content naturally, knowing that Descript will clean it up. There's no need for multiple takes anymore. Initial processing. Upload your video and Descript automatically transcribes everything. The accuracy is impressive, even with technical terms. Text-based editing. Simply highlight and delete any sections you don't want. Move paragraphs around just like you would in a word processor. Fine-tuning. Use the AI tools to enhance audio quality. Add transitions and effects with just a few clicks. Comparing with other tools. Traditional editing software. Programs like Premiere Pro and Final Cut are powerful but complex. They require a steep learning curve and lots of time investment. ChatGPT and other AI tools. While ChatGPT can help with scripts, it can't handle the actual editing process. Descript combines AI capabilities with practical editing tools. Online video editors. Most web-based editors lack the advanced features Descript offers. They can't match the AI capabilities or ease of use. Suggestions for getting started. Start small. Begin with simple projects to learn the interface. Gradually explore more advanced features as you get comfortable. Use templates. Descript offers templates for different types of content. These can save you even more time. Experiment with AI features. Try different AI tools to see what works best for your content. Don't be afraid to push the boundaries. Real results from using Descript. Increase production speed. I'm now producing videos in way less time. The quality has actually improved because I can focus more on content. Better content quality. My videos are more polished and professional looking. The AI tools help maintain consistency across all content. Improved workflow. Everything feels more organized and streamlined. I can focus on creating rather than getting bogged down in technical details. Cost considerations. Pricing plans. Descript offers flexible pricing options for different needs. The free plan is great for testing the waters. Return on investment. The time saved more than justifies the cost. It's an investment that pays for itself quickly. Who this tool is perfect for. content creators. If you're making regular content, this is a game changer. The efficiency gains are incredible. Small business owners create professional content without hiring an editor. Perfect for marketing materials and social media content. Podcasters. The audio editing features are exceptional. It's like having a professional studio at your fingertips. Final thoughts. Making the switch to Descript was one of the best decisions I've made for my content creation. It's not just about saving time, it's about producing better content more consistently. If you're still doing manual editing, you're working too hard. This tool has transformed how I create content, and I believe it can do the same for you.
Now, if you got some value out of this video, how about you smash the like button, as well as subscribe, and also hit the bell icon so you can be notified when we upload more videos. Hey, while you're at it, why not consider sharing, and also leave a comment down below and let me know what you think of this video. Also, to let you know that right here is a video I believe you might like. Down here is a video YouTube thinks you might like. And right here, well, that's an image in my head. And if you click on that, you'll be able to subscribe. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching, and bye for now.